17th of July. It's almost 1 o'clock. I just haven't seen these in a while. Just thought I'd get that. Interesting. Nice big X. And there's another X further over. These are, well, there's three. There's the third one. So 3 big X's. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's a shadow of one of the big trails. And then another jet. Leaving parts of one anyway. I just thought that was interesting. Some way in the distance from earlier this morning. Just hanging around. So you don't see too many anymore, but today's a good day for it. I just love, man, that's a big one. That's thick. Anyway, thought that was cool.